unze edu baby I say ya me how but na come ya say na wiasete and then am akwa onana baby am David here aduni
point 1
na no na tia
critical case for the akomia case 1
clean sheet
onana no keeper clean sheet onim go ne da said here fasa enu ye twam wo wa che
point
1 no case number 1 one case 1 asema di kan he onana no onya de te said here
abuda case you trust in out here
statistics from the then for the do to the do
you trust in here
per 90
abuya trust in here
short face
you trust in say issue for say per overall
instability of defense
David here
goalkeeper
you trust in here
hey goalkeeper Timothy Phil Jones any Lord Smalling ewura to for Muzi
Offer, you are getting it wrong.
No, the right is that
no, you are getting it wrong here.
On your date said here.
Offer, you are getting it wrong here.
Case number 2.
We have always established it here.
There be but
say in terms of no offer.
Financial statistics not there about the bra. Statistics we
only program one say.
We na da hono.
Obi ada the whole season. Last season na best goalkeeper regular. But I come here Nyame need the 40 matches.
Oh no, the way you cry the per 90.
Okay.
Abu one me one power.
There be
last week ya offer wa
Debbie ugumeni
na Debbie ono was high board with here. Omo na tena se ka wa hanu say goalkeeper keep clean sheet. Wa dwen your sorting chamber bia baka say goalkeeper ne kwa na clean sheet. It
is wrong to judge who is a good goalkeeper.
That is it.
Until they bring another one. Me, I don't believe democracy is the best form of government.
Oh, and then I'm on the
good.
So why have you changed your mind?
But
telling us someone abu dia
video oh na ni go na chen ba
no, we know this. Yeah, establishes that you will have
on to no but odi me ba ti ke tende ndie no onya de
yo yate
the modern money nuru de mo
yate
so ti ase
yate
ene ye 1 2
yate
sa team na o coach no ye ka kire ne say toxic o se obakwa akoye na ono atu ne num to kan say obefa team na djuma no mo fa video ne mra Ten Hag was saying Manchester United na
SOMPA Sports
agenda to an serious actually ni me o ye ma me time so dey and find about one be fine because o call network ni ma bia dem kama e dey adwa coach na nkasa ye kana sem has taken the time to see said the team is toxic so what I say onwa said the atmosphere in the team is bad and now be catch say leaks okay say me catch wo akomia kura say the greatest appointment Satan Chelsea for say Thomas Tuchel
the last season to set some standards, and that's what I did. Yeah, then it's my job to control the standards, and of course it's not it's never have been as well that someone when he make one mistake no, there's a whole process before you come to a certain outcome about strict lines but yeah, if staff of players or whatever who if they is this a stukje to cross lines, you have to be strong, absolutely. The club asked me because there was no good culture before I entered last season.
Pause. Right there. Pause. Okay. Obi Obekachero say Manchester United, they didn't know standards. They really knew new standards. No new standards. In the past, you could argue so new standards. And then almost standards.
Man United,
of course. And then your master because of the exit of Alex Ferguson. So I say, but then the reality for me here is that some players will mono. And now you needed to set the structures in place. You've given him too much powers to do what he can't do.
Our mama to me on to me he's a
football coach. Ajax na muhun he did not build the team.
Ajax,
of course. Now, chief football writer for Football International, Mike Vermeij, who reports on Ajax, clearly states, say, Sir Ajax super team na muhungeno. It was the brain of a sporting director and then a competent management team, and they identified him as the right coach.
Oh, okay.
Until the decisions were not solely his. His was to improve them, which he did. Name Yembisa say, who do some Tadic El Southampton, and I will do some Tadic El Ajax.
Yes.
If Southampton Ajax, I'm afraid you say a step down, but Ajax is a better and a better club.
I was surprised and Southampton many baby.
O coach do some Tadic, no one were improving.
No John
and he was a standout performer.
Yes.
In his league and in Europe. We can't say same currently. Then again, Akumia, you people see, and I say, Manchester United for all players and some investment.
Yes.
It is a back critical. Who the Ten Hag jina, who the players need jina, they will choose the players. Why? Because of it, ton players, then you bear 30 million, bear 35 million, even though ton 80 million or Boca, he will cut his losses. Or my coach ni jina players no, and a club maintain. Football clubs don't. They would sacrifice you. Quick. Yao Cancelo and then Mamadou Sakho with Klopp.
Yes.
Now Jadon Sancho Nyomana Oyen. Sometimes you need to take the decision. Guardiola sanctioned the exit of Cancelo. Quick, almost in the middle of the season, you know, trouble. About time that coach. Tima almost sacrificed Roy Keane. Tima Beckham here and your boot ball no Epam the free team no. Tima mo catch Ruud van Nistelrooy so uncle. They would want to make Rooney the main man after 2006.
Yes.
Team way. They sacrificed Keane for Darren Fletcher and then Michael Carrick.
Yeah.
Kino Koyen, your boy, no. Pauline Zoman Pamono, the governor.
Okoye.
But I don't want to be Pamuji.
That won't to me.
Because of a player power.